Most men think it's about looks or cash. It's not. Most men think it's about impressing her with status or a fancy car. That's not it. What if I told you there are 3 very specific things that women notice about a man before anything else even matters? And no, they're not physical traits like height or how much money you make. Women have an uncanny ability to pick up on subtle cues in a man's behavior and appearance. They can tell a lot about him just from the way he walks, talks, and dresses. Here are those 3 things. You can call it intuition, you can call it a 6th sense. But what you can't deny is that women have a remarkable ability to read men. In this video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of female intuition and explore 3 specific things that women notice about men almost instantly. These observations can be subtle, yet incredibly revealing, offering a glimpse into a man's character, confidence, and attention to detail. Join us as we uncover the secrets of female intuition and reveal the surprising traits that women find most attractive in a man. By understanding what women find appealing, you can enhance your own personal and social dynamics, becoming more attractive and magnetic in the process. Number 1. The first thing women notice is always going to be your first impression. It's your energy, it's your body language, it's how you show up. It's not about being tall, rich, or having washboard abs. Now, I know that might be hard to hear for a lot of guys. You might be thinking, damn, I don't have any of those things. Let me tell you something, you don't need to be rich or have perfect genetics to make a great first impression. Think about it. When you meet someone new, what's the first thing you notice about them? Is it their height, their wallet, or how they carry themselves? Most likely, it's their energy and body language. How they stand, how they shake your hand, how they look you in the eye. These are all things that speak volumes about a man's character and confidence. A man who walks with his head held high, shoulders back, and a firm handshake exudes an air of self-assurance and power. On the other hand, a man who slouches, avoids eye contact, and has a weak handshake may come across as insecure and lacking in confidence. Remember, it's not about being born with perfect genetics or having a silver spoon. It's about working on yourself and cultivating the right mindset. A man's true character shines through his actions, not his wallet or his height. And it's the little things like the way he holds himself, shakes your hand, or looks you in the eye that reveal what truly makes him attractive to women. So work on building your confidence, practicing good posture, and developing a strong handshake. These are the things that will make a lasting impression on the people you meet. And let's be real, everyone wants to make a good impression, right? Not just women, but everyone. So why not start with the basics? Walk with your head held high, shoulders back, and a firm handshake. Trust me, it goes a long way. Number 2, the second thing women notice about you is attention to detail. This is something that a lot of men overlook, but it's crucial to making a good impression. You see, women are naturally drawn to men who pay attention to detail, whether it's the way he dresses, speaks, or interacts with others. It shows that he cares about himself and those around him. Here's the deal. Men who pay attention to detail are seen as more attractive because it signals that they are caring, considerate, and reliable. It shows that he takes pride in himself and wants to make a good impression, which is super important. When you make eye contact with someone, it shows that you're interested and engaged in the conversation. It also helps to build a connection and make the other person feel valued. But here's the kicker. Don't try too hard to make eye contact, just keep it natural and comfortable. Staring at someone awkwardly is not going to make you look cool. Talking about making eye contact, tone of voice matters a lot. Women are attracted to men with deep voices. It's just the way it is. There was even a study done by the University of New South Wales that found that women prefer men with deeper voices. So work on developing a deeper voice. And while you're at it, take care of your skin, wear clothes that fit you well, and use subtle, classy fragrances. These small things make a big difference in how you're perceived. And let's not forget grooming. This is where a lot of men drop the ball. You see, women notice when a man takes the time to groom himself. It shows that he cares about his appearance and wants to look his best. Keep your hair and facial hair neatly trimmed. Use natural skincare products and wear fragrances that complement your body chemistry. These things will help you stand out from the crowd and make a lasting impression. So remember, brothers, it's the little things that make the big difference. Pay attention to detail, make eye contact, develop a deep voice, and take care of your appearance. These are the things that will set you apart from the rest and make you irresistible to women. 3. The third thing women notice about a man is his emotional presence. Emotional presence is everything. A man with emotional presence knows how to be fully present in the moment and listen attentively to those around him. He doesn't get lost in his thoughts or let distractions pull his attention away from the people he's interacting with. Women are naturally drawn to men who can make them feel heard and valued. It's hardwired into us. So when you show up and actually listen to what she's saying, it sends a powerful message. It shows that you respect her thoughts and feelings and that you genuinely care about her. It's a quality that is often hard to find in men, but it's something that women crave. A man with emotional presence doesn't just hear words. He truly listens to what's being said, both verbally and non-verbally. He pays attention to the emotions behind the words and tries to understand the underlying meaning. This allows him to connect with women on a deeper level and build stronger relationships. It's not just about listening, though. It's also about being present and engaged in the conversation. A man with emotional presence doesn't check out mentally while the woman is talking. He looks her in the eyes, smiles, nods, and responds in a way that shows he's fully present in the conversation. This creates a sense of intimacy and connection that is hard to resist. So let me sum it up for you, brothers. Women notice 3 things about a man before anything else matters: his first impression, his attention to detail, and his emotional presence. These are the things that truly matter when it comes to making a lasting impression on a woman. So, don't worry about impressing her with your looks or your cash. Instead, focus on becoming the most magnetic version of yourself. Show up with confidence, pay attention to the little things, and be fully present in your interactions. That's all that matters. Oh, and one last thing, I want you to comment below. What's the first thing you notice when you meet someone? Is it their looks, their personality, or something else entirely? Share your thoughts and let the discussion begin. Until next time, thanks for watching.